So big idea 2020, the pendulum is swinging back away from entrepreneurs towards capital. That is, when I was starting business in the 90s, all the power was with capital. And if a company was successful, the first thing they did was kick out the entrepreneur and bring in John Scully or someone else with gray hair who would run Pepsi or Unilever or some such. And then Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, all the power back to the entrepreneur. And we have what has become a ridiculous set of behaviors across entrepreneurs, and capital and the markets are getting fed up. Most recently, a 2-year-old press release announcing that Page and Brin are stepping down. They haven't been CEOs for 2 years, but when you have super voting shares, you get to pretend to be CEO for longer than you're actually behaving like a CEO. Adam Neumann, the ultimate example, somebody who is seen as a Jesus-like figure, $2.5 billion payday for losing $17 billion of other people's money, because as an entrepreneur, he was seen as Jesus-like and was given ridiculous latitude that he then absolutely leveraged to his own example. Jack Dorsey has decided that he can be CEO of 2 companies, and his board has enabled this, and most recently announced that he is going to relocate to Africa for 3 months because Africa is the future. I went to Africa last year. It was called paid time off. So some predictions for 2020. We're going to see a lot more entrepreneurs fired in 2020. In addition, we're going to see the government intervene in what has become an unbearable or a very dangerous situation that is called Facebook Inc., where one individual has too much power. And Mark Zuckerberg is going to see government intervention and action. We're also going to see an activist investor at Twitter who is going to decide that an individual, a CEO, who takes off for extended vacations and has decided in the morning he's going to be the CEO of another company, they will only tolerate that when the stock goes up. The stock is down since Mr. Dorsey took over as CEO. Look for an activist investor at Twitter in 2020.